Welcome to this ChatGPT super awesome masterclass, and we are going to start the discussion about what is ChatGPT and what is the significance of this AI-powered platform. You all know ChatGPT is the buzzword, and it has created such a great hype all over the world that within 5 days it has reached to 5 million people, wherein it took almost months and years for other platforms like say Facebook or say YouTube and all to reach to that large masses. As we are talking, it has already reached more than 300 million people. 30 crore plus uh, people have already been created their account into ChatGPT. And today we are going to discuss about what is ChatGPT and what is the benefit of using this. Okay, so this is just an introductory session, and in this introduction, I will just keep this thing highly brief and give you some very specific information about ChatGPT, and we will take this thing to ahead. So let me start sharing my screen, and we will be taking this thing ahead accordingly. Okay, all right. So in this one, ChatGPT is basically a game changer. Game changer means it has a huge potential, and the moment ChatGPT has come into existence in December uh, 2022, that time it had changed the entire world, and a lot of things have started moving forward with ChatGPT with a new hype altogether. So let's understand what is ChatGPT. So basically, ChatGPT, or like say AI-powered ChatGPT, this is a AI chatbot, okay, that uses NLP, natural language processing, to create human-like conversational dialogue. It simply means that ChatGPT is artificially intelligent chatbot, and it has been developed using NLP, natural language processing, to create a human-like conversation, like the way that we ask someone similar, like you get a response there. In similar way, once we ask some question from ChatGPT, it gives a very unique response there. Okay, so it entirely depends the quality of question we are asking. The more qualitative question you ask, you'll get the best response out of this. ChatGPT has come into existence in last quarter of 2022, and it has reached so far, okay, within this entire interval. But the main point is that when ChatGPT was built, like the model has been created and developed, the data that has been fed to build the model was up to September 2021. So ChatGPT have all the knowledge up to that period. If you ask the latest information, or say what is the current time, or who is the current CEO of Google, it may not be able to answer this, okay, because it does not have the current real-time information. But whatever information it is drastically, it can make huge content out of this, okay. And there is a way that we could feed the data, and ChatGPT would be able to read from there and can provide you most updated information as well. So let's understand what is ChatGPT. So first of all, this has been developed by OpenAI. Okay, the organization, or so the company that has built this platform or this product, it is called OpenAI, and basically it is on generative AI, Gen AI. It is called, okay. GPT, it stands for Generative Pre-trained Transformer. Okay, GPT. G stands for generative. P stands for pre-trained, means it is pre-trained, and it is a transformer. It transforms like the way that you ask the question, and it gives you the very specific response there. So that is how the chat GPT has come into existence. So you provide the details, the input to this. This input is called prompt, and based on this prompt, it checks all the information. So it has a machine learning algorithm within this, and it creates the content. So that is your text. Okay, that is the output out there. So we provide the text input. Text input is nothing but our prompt, and at the end we are getting the output. That is the entire content there, the response of the ChatGPT. Okay, so how this works? So basically, if you can see here, that if you are asking a very simple question, right? How to cook noodles? Okay, so that is called prompt. So this is the question that you are putting into ChatGPT prompt area, and ChatGPT go and search the entire internet and find out the best possible solution of this. What is the best way to cook noodles? Okay, from its huge, humongous amount of database, and then it provides a response. Here you can simply say this is a question being asked, how to cook noodles, and then it goes through the entire internet and its database. It gets the best out of this, and after that, it starts putting this thing into the content here as the output there. Okay, so this is how it works. So you are in one way you are feeding the input. It captures all the details, get all the details from the internet, and then finally create a beautiful format that responds in a very unique way, and it provides you the response there. See, it is not copy pasting from any content there. Okay, it is based on the data that it has. It generates the report, generates the content, and it provides you the response out there. Okay, so what we have to do for this, just go to chat.openai.com/chat. That is the website through which you will be able to create the ChatGPT account out there. And once you created the account, you can see this is your landing page, the main platform. And here you're going to put the details out there. Okay. Once you put the details, we'll be able to see how you are getting the response there. So just to keep this thing short and sweet, I wanted to just you focus on to understand what is ChatGPT, what is prompt, and how the prompt is being inserted into ChatGPT so that you get the response there. Okay, I hope you are clear on this. So in the next section, I'm going to discuss more about this, about the prompt engineering, and how we are going to take this thing journey ahead. So thank you very much, and keep learning and take your journey ahead. Thank you so much.